Welcome! My name is Susan, and I'll be your teacher here at Booked Up English. What's your name? I'm happy to see you here. Say hello in the comments. We will speak using present simple tense. Try to repeat after me. Let's go. Monkey. What do you see? I see a monkey. I see a brown monkey. At the zoo. Where does a monkey live? A monkey lives at the zoo. Elephant. What do you see? I see an elephant. I see a gray elephant. At the zoo. Where does an elephant live? An elephant lives at the zoo. Lion. What do you see? I see a lion. I see a yellow lion. At the zoo. Where does a lion live? A lion lives at the zoo. What do you see? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for learning today. Post a comment or question below. Send me an audio PM of your English. I'd love to hear you. See you soon.